Good evening to all. We are going to start the session now. And today is the last session. Okay, first of all, good evening to all and who are present in the class. Okay, fine. 7 members are there. Germany Money, and then Smuffy Blossom, Sri S, Rasina Sifana, Diya J, and Magesh Prabhu. So totally 2, 4, 6, and one of them, totally 6 members are there. So good evening to all. And today is the last class of this crash course. And anybody interested to continue this course, please say we will continue in the next session. Next class course it will be after 5 to 6 days. After 5 to 6 days. Okay. Anyway, as we already told, after completion of this first course, beginners course, fundamental course, we are going to conduct a test on whatever you studied last 15 days, last 15 sessions. Okay. So it is completely related to programming because we taught only programs, only to write how to write a program. So it is very fundamental of C, C++, and Java. But we not studied any basic idea about C, C++, Java. So what I am trying to say is, we didn't say any theoretical concept. We study only the practical concept. We study only the programs. So first session first crash course we are going to complete up to this class. We studied what we studied actually fundamental programs we can write. So maybe 100 number of programs we completed within this 15 days. You can complete. You can count the. You can count the number of programs. So it may be near about 100 because near about 30 programs in each programming language, that may be C, C++, or Java. So that's the thing. So anyway, today we are going to see the loop. Yesterday we saw the nested loops. Using the nested loops, we are going to see the matrix manipulations. So I think the audible, my voice is audible, right? And the boards are clear. So shall we continue this session? And sorry for the today delay. And I'm expecting more anybody without attendance. Anybody? Gemini Mani, Smuffy Blossom, Sri yes, and then Rasina Sifana, Diya J, Magesh Prabhu, and one more. Who is that one more? Okay, fine. Anyway, shall we start now? Okay. So now we are going to see the matrix manipulations. So what are the manipulations we are going to see is number one, how to get a matrix and print a matrix. So that's the thing we studied already in the last class itself. How to print a matrix format. How we studied actually yesterday we saw the three patterns 1 1 1 2 2 2 and then 3 3 3. So how the matrix it will be look like that only. So it consists of row and it consists of columns, right? So matrix will be like that. So it consists of rows and it consists of columns. Yesterday we studied what we studied actually. We print the pattern. It may be a star. It may be include a number, or it may be a form of triangle like that. Okay. So today what we are going to see is how can we get the matrix and print the matrix. How can we get the matrix? So that's the thing we are going to see. So before going to the program, what are the programs we are going to study? That is to get the matrix, and print it. Okay. Number two, to get the matrix and print the transpose of matrix. To get the matrix and print the transpose of matrix. And the third one is addition of two matrices or sum of two matrices. Okay, these three concepts we are going to study today. To get a matrix, how to get a matrix and how to print the matrix. And then how to get the matrix and how to find the transpose of the matrix and how we can get the two matrix and how to add that to matrix. So that's the thing we are going to see. Okay, anybody arrival today? After that, anybody newcomer today? Okay, fine. Anyway, fine. So as I already told, there are. I need your details for certification. So I received from Smuffy Blossom, that is Harita, I received. Rasina, I didn't receive. Diya I didn't receive. Magesh Prabhu, I received. Okay, totally three details I received actually. One Kritika Kirti also. Kritika Kirti and Harita, Mohammed Fazil, and then Magesh Prabhu. There are 4 details only I got. So if you giving your details, then only I can prepare we can prepare the certification for you. So if interested, okay. Rasina Sifana also sent. Okay. So now we are going to see about to get a matrix and print a matrix. So how to get a matrix and print a matrix? That's the thing we are going to see. And yesterday we saw three programs. I mean three styles. So all the things we didn't get any input from user, but today we are going to get in. Today we are going to get the values from the user now. So first of all, what we are going to see to enter the matrix elements. This is our first question. Enter the matrix elements. In the output, we will give like that 1, 2, -7, 5, 8, 3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally it is a 3 class 3 elements. Right? So how many rows? 3, 3, 3. We are going to get a 3 class 3 matrix. We are going to print a 3 class 3 matrix. So if we are getting 3 class 3 matrix means we have to get 9 elements. Okay. So that 9 elements. So how the output will be? The given matrix is it should be like that. It should not be like in the form of 1 by 1. It should be like that. 1, 2, -7, and 5, 8, 3, and then 0, 1, 5. It should be in the form of matrix. Okay. So this, if we are giving the elements of matrix means the output should be, it will be in the form of matrix. It should be consist of rows and consist of columns. So got it? Okay, 3 class 3 elements we are going to see. So this is our problem definition. We are going to write a program for this one. So enter the element of matrix we will ask, and then at the compile time we are giving like that, and if we are giving like that means it will print like the given matrices in the form of matrix format. You got it? Shall we go to the program now? Okay, fine. So first line, print of enter the number of elements. That is our first line. Print f enter the elements of matrix So what we done actually, enter the elements of matrix, after that single double quotation and close and then semicolon. So we did like that. So enter the element of matrix means after that we have to get 9 elements, that is 3 rows and 3 columns. We already yesterday we saw if we needed 3 rows and 3 columns means we need to define a variable for row and define a variable for column. So that for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 3, and then I plus plus. So this is for to get the row value. And then I'm just using open bracket for j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to 3, j plus plus. Okay, I'm just opening the brace. We are going to get the value means, so we have to write scan f %d. Each and every time we are going to get a value. How many times it will be get? 3 rows and 3 columns to 3. That will be 9 times we will get. So what value we are going to get? That is array value. So that concept. Okay, fine. Anyway, we are going to get a value that is a of 1 row and 1 column. Actually, this is an array concept. We didn't study the array concept. Anyway, I, how many rows? 3 rows. J, how many rows? 3 rows. So totally 3 cross 3, that is 9 rows and 9 columns. So totally 9 elements we are going to get. So this is the way we have to get a matrix. And the same thing we are going to print. The given matrix is like the same pattern you have to follow. Print F, the given matrix. The given matrix. I will explain you this concept is later. Okay, so don't worry about that. The given matrix. So for the same thing you are going to write, that is for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 3, and then I plus plus. Okay, so move to the next one. For j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to 3, and then j plus plus. So yesterday we printed 3 rows and 3 columns in the 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 pattern, right? So the same way you have to write here. So how can we have to write? You have to write like that. Printf integer number you are going to print, so that you have to write integer percentage d, and then a of I of j, and then you just close. You have to print here, print n, print of, print f slash in here, and then you just close the for loop. So till now we written only the for loop, so that you have to declare I value, j value, and a is a 2-dimensional array. So those who didn't understand about 2-dimensional array means, I will explain. Otherwise, you already studying the C++ Java means, so it is not bother. It is a 2-dimensional array. So that is the thing we needed. Okay, fine. Now, what are the things we need to declare? Integer I for row and j for column, and a is the 3 cross 3 matrix, so that we have to write the size of 3 and then semicolon. Okay, so we just open the program, void main, and I think it is clear for you. So you have to write percentage d comma a of I comma j. Here you have to write address of, because we are writing scanf, so that you have to write address of a of I of j. So here what we declared, actually this consists of 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 rows and 3 columns. It mentioned for rows, and this one is mentioned for column. So this is called 2-dimensional array, because a variable consists of only one size, means it is a 1-dimensional array. It consists of 2 indexes, means it is a 2-dimensional array. Array means it is a collection of elements. For example, it consists of how many elements actually we are going to get a value. Get not a single value. We are going to get 3 cross 3, 9 values we are going to get. So the 9 values, it will be stored into the variable a. So a is not a single variable. It is a collection of variable. Collection of variable. The name of the collection of variable is called array. Array is a collection of variable. Array may be a single dimension or 2-dimension or multi-dimension, it may be. So here matrix is a 2-dimension because it consists of rows and columns. That's why we used 2-dimension, one for row and one for column. So this is the way we have to write, and this is the way we have to get a matrix, and this is the way we have to print a matrix. So just we have to use here ampersand symbol, and here we need to we don't want to use any ampersand symbol, and here I used for slashing. As you already know, yesterday I used slashing after for loop. What it will be? It is for completely go to the next line. Okay. So for example, as we already mentioned, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. It should not be print like that, means we have to use for loop after the inner loop. So it will be present like that, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So next line After the first row, it should be go to the second row, and after the second row, it should be go to the third row. Means we have to use slash n. So that is the thing. So here I opened and closed, and here I opened and closed, opening and closing, and here open and close, and this opening, closing here. So just note it down. I will explain after you note it. Okay, shall we run this one? How to change a row and column now? Transpose of matrix we need to see. Shall we start now? Okay, good. I'm just erasing this one. So how the program is executing. So you noted, I think. So with the thing, I will explain. So A is an array. It is a collection of 9 elements, 3 rows and 3 columns. This position name is 0, 0, or this position name is 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay, shall we start now? I'm just starting. And Assalamu alaikum, Ahmad Abdullah. Okay, Gemini Money is asking one doubt. Slash T போட வேண்டாமா? Slash T நீங்க மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்கிறது தப்பு, இப்படி போடக்கூடாது. Slash T இப்படி தான் போடணும். எஸ்கேப் சீக்வன்சஸ்க்கு நாம யூஸ் பண்றது எல்லாமே பேக் ஸ்லாஷ் நாட் ஃப்ரண்ட் ஸ்லாஷ். ஓகே, உங்களோட கொஸ்டின் வந்து ஸ்லாஷ் T போடலாமா அப்படின்றது தான் உங்களோட கொஸ்டின். You can use slash T for space as we already told in the last class itself. Okay, and the second question. Smuffy Blossom is asking array starting from 0, right? Or we can use 1 also. We can write 1 also. But anyway, array is starting from 0. For the understanding purpose, I am just using array is starting from 0 only, not 1. For the understanding purpose only, I am just using. Okay, that's it. Okay. Now I am going to the program. You just see the program now. What is the first thing? For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 3, I plus plus. So what is the I value? I is equal to 1. I less than or equal to 3. And then the condition is true or not? 1 less than or equal to 3. The condition is true. Yesterday I explained completely, but with arrays I didn't explain, so that I am just using now. So that I am explaining now. Yesterday we explained the for loop, nesting of for loop, but we didn't explain with the array. Array is a new concept for this session. Okay, maybe you may familiar with arrays. So the condition is true. If the condition is true means it will become inside. So now j is 1, j less than or equal to 3. J less than or equal to 3 means 1 less than or equal to 3. The condition is true. The condition is true means it will become inside percentage d. It should be get the integer value. So what is the I value? That is 1. What is the j value? A of 0, A of 1 of 1. What is the A of 1 of 1? This is a location, A of 1 of 1. So that in that location we should store an integer value. So suppose I am giving 5, means the 5 it will be stored here. 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3 3. These are the position of an array. 5 is the value of an array. Okay, that array. Okay. So next, j value will be incremented. 2 less than or equal to 3. So I value is 1, j value is 2. So I value, j value is 2 means, so 1 2. So next value it will be stored if we are giving 6. Okay, and then again it will be incremented 3 less than or equal to 3. I value is as usual same 1. And j value is 3. So the value will be stored into the location 1 3. Okay, minus 1. Whatever you can give any value to that. Okay, and then 4 less than or equal to, it will be incremented by 1. This time it will be failure because 4 less than or equal to 3. The condition is false. So that what it will be exit from the loop, and then once again it will be go for the outer loop. The I value will be incremented. So 2 less than or equal to 3. 2 less than or equal to 3, the condition is true. The condition is true means again it will be born newly. So how many values we can get? 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4. So 2 4 it is not true. And then again I value will be incremented. 3 less than or equal to 3. J will be born newly. So 1, 2 and 3. If it coming to 4th, the execution is false. So how many values it will be get? So totally 9 values it will be get. 5 6 minus 1 0 minus 7 1 3 1 11 like that. So how many values we got? So these are the 5 6 minus 1 0 minus 7 1 3 1 11. The same way we are going to use here, we are going to print that. So first 1 1 it will be print. First 1 1 it will be print. I am just erasing this one. I hope you understand that. So how the matrix format it will be printed. So already these are the values it will be stored. These are the values already stored. So we have to print this value. Okay. So I am just going to print 4 values around. You just imagine remaining element. Okay, so I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1, I is equal to 1 condition is true. I 1, j, I less than or equal to 3, j less than or equal to 3. So 1 less than or equal to 3, the condition is true, then it will become inside the inner loop. J is equal to 1, j less than or equal to 3, I mean that is 1 less than or equal to 3, the condition is true, it will become, and we are telling you should be print an integer value. The integer value is a of I of j. What is a of I of j? I value is 1, j value is 1. So a of 1, it should be printed. And then again loop, it will be a of 1, 2, it will be printed. And then again a of 1, 3, it will be printed. So if it is j is reaching 4 means it will be the condition is failed. It will come out of the loop and then next line. Yesterday we saw, right? Yesterday we saw how the inner loop will be work. Okay. So j value it will be true because once j value is false, it will exit the inner loop and then I will be incremented. I already having the value is 1, so now it will be 2. So 2 less than or equal to 3, the condition is true. Again j will be 1, 2, 3. So that 0, -1 and 1, 3, 1, 11. Like that it will be printed. So we can form the matrix. So this is the matrix format. So I already told you we need to see how to get a matrix and how to print a matrix. That is the first problem. And second problem is transpose of matrix. So that is very easy. You just change a small change. Here you just use a of I of j, but in the case of transpose of matrix, you just use j of I. First you just use j and then again you just use I. So this is a small change because if the matrix is this one means what should be the transpose of matrix? It should be 5, 0, 3, 6, -7, 1, -1, -1, 11. The row and column should be changed so that we have to use a of I and j. You got it that? So this is a given matrix and this is transposed matrix. You just entitle, that is called transpose of matrix. You just change a small thing. Instead of a of ij, you just use a of ji. So that's enough. Okay. So is there any doubt so far? Okay. Okay, just make a note this one another. And transpose of matrix. I'm not comfortable to teach this one because we didn't teach array concept. So that we will stop up to this level, and after seeing array level, we will see that. Because I didn't expect after the entering the session one day, I'm just seeing. I just taken a break because I thought the class itself, class வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நான் வந்து பார்த்தேன். ஸோ அதனால இது வந்து ஒரு 2-dimensional array concept. அதனால matrix multiplication and then matrix addition subtraction we will see in the next level. We will see after after seeing the array concepts. Okay, so now it is clear maybe. So what we completed matrix manipulation, that is to get a matrix and to print a matrix, and then to get a matrix and to to print the transpose matrix. So these are the things we completed. So remaining time we need to discuss something. Any questions you need to ask now? Any questions you need to ask now? That's all. These are the sessions. We will end up with this session. Now, any questions it should be? Is there any doubt so far? Is there any questions about regarding this session? And how many of you shared to your friends? And a very very important thing, how many of you are subscriber of this channel? Okay, so today is the date. Today date is June 27. Shall we conduct the test on June 30? 2 days time to reglance the concepts, and shall we conduct the test on June 30? The question is, how will you conduct the test? Test only opinion question. Test it should be in the form of Google form. You have to enter your detail in the Google form, and then after entering, you have to complete the programs. I mean, you have to complete the 25 questions we are going to prepare. Already it is prepared, but it should be in the form of Google form. We will give you 30 minutes time, or 30 minutes time we will give. After the 30 minutes, the link will be disabled. Okay, so after if you completed the session, I mean, if you completed the test, you have to submit your submit button and your details and marks. It will be stored into the database. So based on the database, we will give you awards and certificates. But anyway, certifications, it is completely participation certificate. It is compulsory. Compulsory, you can receive the participation certificate. But anyway, first 3 marks we will give you awards or momentums or cash awards, whatever it may be. We are just planning, but anyway, the prizes are there for first 3 peoples. DRG timing, sir. Timing is 30 minutes, half an hour, but we will see. We will send through your mail ID, or you can contact anytime through wirelevelkalvi@gmail.com. We will send you through your WhatsApp number or your mail ID. So anyway, we need your mail ID, or you can give your WhatsApp number. Then only we can say the time. Okay. So it may be morning. Most probably it should be in morning time. Okay. Starting time we will decide by tomorrow. We will tell on what time you will conduct the test. So it may be in morning. Most probably. Okay. Is it 7:30 to 8 p.m.? Yeah. We can conduct in the same time too. 7:30 to 8 p.m. maybe. As usual time, 7:30 to 8 p.m. Is there any doubt so far? Okay. And I think really you understand this session, I hope. And please please share to your friends, as we are seeing and again. But viewers maybe constantly 10 to 15 numbers only. Okay, so that you just pass the information about this session, about this channel. Please pass to your friends. Then only most of the students, they are eagerly to learn programming language. They are eagerly work in the IT companies. So this sessions it will be useful. What is the today's assignment? You have to revise all the videos and then prepare for the online test. That is the assignment because this is the end of the day for this crash course. Next crash course we will send you soon. What time and what are the topics we are going to cover. These are the details. It will be sent you soon through YouTube channel. Okay. You just watch the YouTube channel, the notification it will become about the next next crash course. Is there any doubts so far? The question is one mark question இருக்குமா அப்படின்ற மாதிரி ஒரு question. One mark question இருக்குமானா program தான் இருக்கும். அந்த programல you have to objective type anyway. What is the output of the following program, or what are the errors, how many errors are there, or how many times the loop will be executed, and what is the syntax of if statement or if else statement, like that, and then what is the operator name, like that the question it will be. Okay, so most probably it is an objective type questions. Jay, no doubt. Magesh Prabhu, is each question how many marks? 100 marks alone, because it is an objective type, so that each question carry on 1 mark. Any doubt so far? Okay, as I already, I'm each and every time I'm just telling, past 3 days or past 4 days I'm telling, I need your details to send your for the send certificate for your email ID or your postal address. If we are sending certificate means it will come through the postal address. If you are if it is not possible means we will send e-certificate through your email ID. So details are required. Only 4 members sent. DRJ, you didn't receive your details. And Gemini Money, USA also. Any doubt so far? Shall we terminate the session? Okay, thank you for your cooperation and hope you understand all the concepts. So if you have any doubts, you can contact any time through airlevelkalvi@gmail.com. Otherwise, you just ask your doubts through the WhatsApp number 936-122-8165. So share this type of session to your friends and college mates, and so these are the things. Share, like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share about this session. And there are so many videos are there. You can visit airlevelkalvi@gmail.com. There are lots of information about programming language. So you can visit anytime. Python, PHP, C, C++, Java for any time. You can visit airlevelkalvi@gmail.com. Kalvi YouTube channel. So thank you for watching and thank you for all. And I need the details for the certification purpose, and notification it will be come through your email ID. Please send the details soon. Then only we can send the notification to you. Okay. So thank you for watching.